What did the letter G do wrong in English? Because every time we see ing, Americans just drop it. Sorry, G, you're out. Okay, Americans have a funny relationship with the letter G here. Sometimes it's invited to the party, and sometimes nope, it just kicked out. Remember when we practiced the American R? We're gonna use the same method to explain how to pronounce the ing ending in the American English. Trust me, if you get this one right, you'll sound way more natural. Okay, so let's break it down. The ending ing uses a special sound. Eng. Eng. It's not in. There is a huge difference between these two. And the question is, how do we make it? Just like the last time when we looked at the R sound using a mouth diagram, now we're going to explore the ing ending. Put the back of your tongue up against the soft part of the roof of your mouth. Your tongue is not touching your teeth, it's further back, and the air comes out of your nose. The eng here is like the sound in sing. Try sing, sing. Yeah, you probably feel your tongue stuck in the back, right? That's it. We have two ways to pronounce the ing in English. The careful way with the ing sound at the end, like going, talking, running. This is the school version. Teachers love it. Just kidding.
Okay.
Okay, the other way is the casual American with the ing sound at the end, going, talking, running. This is the Netflix version. Way faster, way cooler. So let's take some examples. Going, going. I'm going home. I'm going home. Talking, talking. We're talking about it. We're talking about it. Even faster when you cut about into bad. Talking about it. Running, running. He's running late. He's running late. Sounds like you're in a hurry already. Working, working. She's working hard. She's working hard. That's what Americans say when they're actually chilling. So remember, both ing and ing are correct, but if you want to sound more natural and casual, drop the G just like Americans do. Follow me for the next lesson where we'll look at another secret of American pronunciation.